Alva the Universal Hands-Free Lighting Solution. The Alva the Universal Hands-Free Lighting Solution stands out as an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts due to its innovative design and functionality. Crafted to withstand various weather conditions, this wearable light offers unparalleled versatility, providing hands-free illumination that adapts to any activity. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain, setting up camp after dusk, or simply navigating through darkened trails, the Alva ensures optimal visibility, enhancing safety and convenience during outdoor excursions. Its lightweight and durable construction make it an ideal companion for any adventure, offering reliable performance when you need it most. With the Alva, users can confidently explore the outdoors without the constraints of traditional handheld flashlights or headlamps. Its intuitive design allows for effortless attachment to clothing or gear, freeing up hands for tasks and activities. Additionally, its weatherproof construction ensures durability in challenging environments, guaranteeing long-lasting performance even in adverse conditions. Whether camping, hiking, or engaging in nighttime activities, the Alva provides peace of mind by offering reliable illumination wherever your adventures take you, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts seeking convenience, safety, and versatility in their gear arsenal. MeTime BBQ Versatile and Portable Grill. The MeTime BBQ Grill stands out as the ultimate camping companion, boasting versatility and portability at its core. Crafted with the solo adventurer in mind, it offers a comprehensive array of cooking functions within a single, compact design. Whether you're craving the sizzle of a traditional barbecue, the convenience of frying, the warmth of boiling, the depth of braising, the communal experience of a hot pot, the slow simmering of flavors, or the aromatic allure of smoking, this grill delivers it all with ease. Its thoughtful engineering ensures that every outdoor cooking desire is catered to, allowing campers to indulge in a diverse range of culinary experiences without the hassle of carrying multiple cooking appliances. With the MeTime BBQ, camping becomes a gourmet affair, effortlessly blending the joys of outdoor exploration with the pleasures of culinary creativity. Its portable nature enables adventurers to set up their cooking station wherever their journey takes them, whether it's atop a mountain peak, by a tranquil lake, or nestled within a forest clearing. The grill's seamless integration of various cooking methods ensures that every meal is a delightful revelation, inviting campers to immerse themselves fully in the outdoor experience while enjoying delicious, freshly prepared food. In essence, the MeTime BBQ redefines the camping experience, offering solo travelers a culinary sanctuary amidst nature's beauty. Carson Optical MP250 Microflip Pocket Microscope. The Carson Optical MP250 Microflip Pocket Microscope is a compact yet potent tool designed for a myriad of applications. Its remarkable LED-lighted feature illuminates subjects with clarity, making it indispensable for various tasks such as detecting counterfeit currency where precision is paramount. The inclusion of a flip-down slide base coupled with an aspheric lens system ensures unparalleled image quality, offering users an opportunity for detailed examination even in the most intricate of subjects. With a magnification capability ranging from 100x to 250x, this pocket microscope opens doors for scientific exploration, enabling enthusiasts to delve into the microscopic world with ease. Its versatility makes it an indispensable companion for field researchers, educators, and hobbyists alike. Whether it's mapping nectar patterns in flowers or conducting detailed scientific analyses, the Carson Optical MP250 Microflip Pocket Microscope excels in delivering high-quality images with exceptional clarity. Its compact size and portable design make it convenient for on-the-go usage, ensuring that users can carry it effortlessly wherever their exploration takes them. With its potent magnification capabilities and advanced imaging technology, this pocket microscope stands as a testament to Carson Optical's commitment to providing innovative tools for scientific discovery and exploration. Pomoly TBrick Winter Limited Edition. The Pomoly TBrick Winter Limited Edition stands out as a pinnacle of innovation and design in portable camping gear. Crafted from premium pure titanium with a surface mirror treatment, it boasts remarkable durability at a mere 1 mm thickness, ensuring longevity without sacrificing portability. The addition of a new titanium spark arrestor enhances safety, while the inclusion of a distinctive octagonal glass side panel adds a touch of elegance to its functionality. This stove represents the perfect fusion of form and function, making it an indispensable companion for winter camping expeditions where warmth and reliability are paramount. Beyond its striking aesthetics, the Pomoly TBrick providing efficient heating solutions for hot tent camping adventures. Its thoughtful design allows for easy assembly and disassembly, enabling hassle-free setup in the wilderness. Whether navigating snowy landscapes or braving the chill of winter nights, this stove delivers unparalleled warmth and comfort, elevating the outdoor experience for enthusiasts seeking both practicality and style. With its blend of cutting-edge features and meticulous craftsmanship, the Pomoly TBrick Winter Limited Edition emerges as a must-have companion for any winter expedition, promising unforgettable memories amidst the serenity of nature's wintry embrace. Selkbag, the original wearable sleeping bag. The Selkbag Original Wearable Sleeping Bag redefines comfort and mobility in the camping world. Imagine slipping into a cozy cocoon that not only keeps you snug, but also allows you to move freely. With its innovative design featuring arms and legs, it provides unparalleled flexibility, whether you're lounging around the campfire, snuggling up in your tent, or simply enjoying a chilly evening outdoors. Gone are the days of cumbersome traditional sleeping bags that restrict movement. The Selkbag enables you to navigate your campsite with ease while staying toasty warm. This versatile piece of camping gear isn't just limited to outdoor adventures. It's a game changer for any situation where staying warm and mobile is essential. Whether you're stargazing in your backyard, attending an outdoor event, or even just relaxing at home on a cold evening, the Selkbag offers unmatched comfort and convenience. Its functionality as both a sleeping bag and wearable garment makes it a must-have for anyone seeking comfort and freedom of movement in chilly environments, elevating the camping experience to new levels of comfort and coziness. OLIFE Trekpal T3 Trekking Poles. The OLIFE Trekpal T3 trekking poles stand out as indispensable companions for outdoor enthusiasts due to their blend of durability, versatility, and comfort. Crafted from high-quality aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, these poles strike the perfect balance between strength and lightweight portability, weighing a mere 20.3 ounces. Their collapsible design and adjustable length ranging from 39.4 to 53.1 inches cater to hikers of varying heights and terrain preferences, offering personalized support and stability. Moreover, the EVA foam grip not only ensures a secure and comfortable hold during long treks but also minimizes hand fatigue. Additionally, the threaded pole tips provide added utility by allowing accessories to be securely attached, enhancing functionality even in rugged and unpredictable outdoor conditions. Whether navigating challenging trails or embarking on multi-day treks, the OLIFE Trekpal T3 trekking poles excel as indispensable tools for adventurers seeking reliability and comfort. Their sturdy construction and adjustable features accommodate diverse hiking styles and terrains, empowering users to traverse with confidence and ease. With a focus on ergonomic design, these poles prioritize user comfort with their padded grips, which reduce strain on hands and wrists during extended use. Furthermore, the threaded pole tips ensure accessories remain securely fastened, promoting convenience and accessibility on the go. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking dependable support and enhanced performance on their expeditions, the OLIFE Trekpal T3 trekking poles emerge as an essential gear choice, embodying the perfect synthesis of durability, versatility, and comfort. Outpost Vehicle-Mounted Hammock Stand. The Hammock Outpost Vehicle-Mounted Hammock Stand redefines outdoor relaxation with its innovative design. By seamlessly attaching to your vehicle, it eliminates the need for trees or other anchors, offering unparalleled convenience and flexibility in setting up your hammock. Its compact fold-down size allows for effortless transportation and storage, making it an ideal companion for spontaneous outdoor excursions. Whether you're camping in remote wilderness or lounging at a scenic overlook, This stand provides a stable and comfortable platform for unwinding amidst nature's beauty. Crafted with durability and ease of use in mind, the Outpost hammock stand effortlessly transforms your vehicle into a hub of relaxation. Its robust construction ensures stability and safety, capable of accommodating various hammock styles and sizes. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a casual camper, this versatile gear enhances your outdoor experience by offering a convenient and comfortable way to enjoy the great outdoors. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional hammock setups and embrace the freedom and flexibility provided by the Hammock Outpost vehicle-mounted hammock stand, allowing you to create your oasis of tranquility wherever your adventures take you. BBQ. The BBQ camping grill epitomizes convenience and functionality for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Despite its compact size and featherweight of 1.7 pounds, this grill unfolds into a surprisingly spacious grilling surface of 16 by 10 inches, comfortably accommodating gatherings of 3-5 people. Crafted from premium 316 food-grade stainless steel, it ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it suitable for various environments, from rugged outdoor landscapes to the cozy confines of a kitchen. Its versatility extends beyond the campsite, doubling as a reliable roasting rack, seamlessly integrating into culinary adventures wherever they may take you. Designed with the mobile lifestyle in mind, the BBQ redefines portability without compromising on performance. Its lightweight construction and compact design make it effortlessly packable for backpacking trips, car camping excursions, or impromptu backyard cookouts. Whether grilling over an open flame under the stars or whipping up a feast in the comfort of your home, this grill embodies the spirit of adventure and culinary exploration, providing a reliable companion for creating memorable meals wherever your journey leads. PurTrek Trekpal Water Filtration. The PurTrek Trekpal water filtration system is the epitome of convenience and innovation for outdoor enthusiasts. Integrating seamlessly into your hiking or trekking experience, this ingenious gear merges the functionality of a sturdy aluminum trekking pole with a cutting-edge water filtration pump. Gone are the days of cumbersome assembly or awkward positioning. With the PurTrek, hydration becomes effortless and instantaneous. Its patented design ensures that wherever your adventure takes you, from rugged mountain trails to remote wilderness, you'll have access to safe, clean drinking water without compromising on comfort or efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a weekend warrior, this versatile 2-in-1 companion promises to revolutionize your outdoor hydration experience, ensuring you stay refreshed and energized throughout your journey. With the PurTrek Trekpal water filtration system, staying hydrated during outdoor excursions has never been easier or more convenient. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this multifunctional gear serves dual purposes, providing stability and support as a trekking pole while simultaneously offering a reliable water filtration solution. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying bulky water bottles or worrying about the quality of natural water sources. The PurTrek's innovative pump system ensures that water is filtered on demand, delivering clean and refreshing hydration whenever you need it. Whether you're embarking on a challenging hike, a multi-day trek, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll through nature, this all-in-one solution guarantees peace of mind and enhanced comfort, allowing you to focus on the beauty of the great outdoors without interruption. The Picnic Plus is the ultimate solution for dining convenience in any setting. Whether you're embarking on a wilderness adventure, enjoying a weekend camping trip, or simply grabbing a quick lunch at the office, this versatile accessory ensures you're always equipped with the essentials. Its innovative design seamlessly integrates a fork and spoon onto the handle of the renowned Opinel end-to-jade knife, providing a compact and comprehensive eating utensil set that prioritizes comfort, hygiene, and durability. With 2 available sets catering to both new users and those who already possess the end-to-jade knife, the Picnic Plus offers a tailored solution for every individual's needs. Crafted with practicality and functionality in mind, The Picnic Plus doesn't just stop at convenience, it also emphasizes cleanliness and organization. The inclusion of a microfiber towel case not only serves as a compact storage solution, but also doubles as a convenient cutlery cleaner, ensuring your utensils remain spotless and ready for use at all times. This thoughtful addition enhances the overall user experience, making mealtime on the go a hassle-free and enjoyable affair. With the Picnic Plus, you can confidently dine in any situation, knowing that you have a reliable and efficient dining companion by your side. inReach Messenger. The Garmin inReach Messenger is a lifesaver for adventurers venturing into remote areas where traditional cell service is non-existent. This satellite communicator offers a vital link to the outside world through global two-way text messaging, enabling users to stay in touch with loved ones or coordinate with emergency services in case of unforeseen situations. Its compact design and durable construction make it an essential piece of gear for hikers, backpackers, and explorers who prioritize safety and communication during their outdoor excursions. What sets the Garmin inReach Messenger apart is its SOS Alert feature, providing users with a reliable lifeline in emergencies. With just a push of a button, individuals can instantly notify emergency responders of their location and situation, ensuring timely assistance when needed most. Whether traversing remote trails or embarking on backcountry adventures, this device offers peace of mind by bridging the communication gap between isolated environments and the outside world, making it an indispensable tool for any outdoor enthusiast seeking both connectivity and safety. SLYDE King 2K Rechargeable 2000 Lumen Flashlight. The SLYDE King 2 rechargeable flashlight is a top-tier choice for any camping enthusiast. Its impressive 2000 lumen LED light, equipped with 4x zoom, ensures exceptional brightness and clarity, casting a wide beam to illuminate your surroundings effectively. What sets it apart is its dual functionality, featuring a 500 lumen COB work light, ideal for tasks around the campsite. Its waterproof design guarantees reliability even in adverse weather conditions, while the ergonomic rubberized grip ensures a comfortable hold, minimizing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the flashlight's magnetic base provides convenient hands-free operation, allowing you to attach it to metal surfaces for versatile lighting solutions during your outdoor adventures. In summary, the SLYDE King 2 flashlight combines power, versatility, and durability, making it an essential companion for camping trips. Whether you're navigating dark trails, setting up camp, or working on tasks around the site, this flashlight offers unmatched performance and reliability to enhance your outdoor experience. Its rechargeable feature also ensures sustainability, allowing you to power up easily for each new adventure, making it a must-have tool for any camping gear arsenal. EcoFlow Wave 2 Portable Air Conditioner. The EcoFlow Wave 2 Portable Air Conditioner stands out as a game-changer in the realm of outdoor comfort. Its compact yet robust design makes it an ideal companion for camping trips or any outdoor adventure where climate control is crucial. With the capability to cool or heat up to 10°C of space, it offers versatility to adapt to various weather conditions, ensuring a comfortable environment wherever you go. Moreover, its use of R290 refrigerant not only enhances its cooling efficiency, but its commitment to environmental sustainability, making it a greener choice compared to conventional portable AC units. Beyond its cooling and heating capabilities, the EcoFlow Wave 2 excels in user convenience. Its quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance, allowing users to enjoy a peaceful outdoor experience without the constant hum of traditional air conditioners. Additionally, its fast charging feature ensures quick replenishment of power, providing uninterrupted comfort when you need it most. Overall, the EcoFlow Wave 2 Portable Air Conditioner redefines outdoor comfort with its powerful performance, eco-friendly design, and user-centric features, making it a must-have for anyone seeking to elevate their camping or outdoor adventures. Thank you sincerely for joining us on this journey. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Together, let's continue to explore, learn, and grow. See you in the next video.